The WCoin core team has just added another task, and they have made it compulsory that all farmers must complete this task in order to be eligible for their airdrop. And that is why I'm creating this video today, to show you how you can complete this task. Okay, now to view the task, you come over to the box, the gift box section. You click on it. Then you are going to see the new task that has just been introduced, which is the WCoin, the 3 W skins, and also 20 opened W chest. In the previous video about the WCoin, which I dropped in this channel, we've talked about the earlier introduced eligibility criteria, which involves connecting your Tone wallet, completing 50 tasks, having up to 10,000 taps, and then having 100 WAI balance. We've discussed that in our previous video. So today we shall be paying attention to the latest task which has just been released by the team and how you can complete these tasks. The first one says that you must have 3 W skins. And how can you do this? You go back to the home page, then you come over to the boost section, that is this button. You click on it, then you go over to where we have the W skins. Okay, click on it. Now once you do that, it is going to show you the various W skin that we have in this app. So they say that you should have at least 3, which means you can have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as the case may be. Now if you take a look here, we have the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth one. Okay, that is this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, now these are the ones that you will need to pay either with Tone in order for you to get. Okay, for this one now you have to pay for 40 Tone, or you use 10,000 Telegram stars. For this you have to pay for 0.02, but do not worry, okay, because there is free one for you to claim. That is if you have not done it before now. Now if I scroll up, you are going to see the ones that I've owned already. That is the one that I have. Okay, so this is Tone, this is Ethereum, this is Solana, this is Solana, this is WCoin. If I scroll up, you continue to see them. As you can see, it says you own it. That means I already have this. So already I have more than 3. So in your own case, all these will be displayed because I didn't buy this with any Tone or any Telegram star. It will be free for you to claim. So you just come and tap on any one you want. All the ones that are free, I would suggest that you click on all of them to claim all of them. And what this WCoin skin simply means is, for instance, this is the one I selected to be like a screensaver. Okay, now if I go to the home page, you discover that what we have there is the Solana logo because I selected that skin, that W skin. Okay, it is not really a big deal. For instance, if I select let me go with this shuriken, okay, just for you to see it, let me select this. Once you click on it, it says selected. Okay, hope you see it. It says selected. So if I go back to the home page, you see it is going to display. The logo will just be shown here. So that is all about the WC. So you make sure that you have up to 3. All right, make sure you have up to 3. Claim as many as you can. So that is that about the W skin. So the next one is you should have 20 opened W chest, which is this very one. Now let us do it. You go to the home page, then you locate the W treasure. Okay, this is it. So you click on it to complete this task. Then here are the different treasures that we have here. Now in your own case, if you have not done this before, maybe at the balance here you can be seeing, let's say 20 or 25, 15, 10. So once you see any number there, it means that you have not completed opening the W treasures, which is just like the keys. Okay, as you can see, it is represented with key. Okay, this is the key. Okay, so in your own case, you have to click on either the starter, the guardian. This is the starter, this is the guardian, this is the treasure, and this is the cosmic. I have opened all mine, and that is why I am having 0 balance left. And here also I have 0 left. So in your own case, you just have to click on any of these box. Then once you click on it, you click on open. All right, an open button will appear. It is not going to show in my own because I've claimed it before. Then after that open, you click on the collect. Okay, these are the 3 buttons that will show. You click on open, you click on collect, so that the buttons or the boxes or the keys will be opened to you. Okay, so that is how to do it. All right, now in order for you to know or to check whether you have completed the the 20W chest, which they said, you will have to come to the history section, which is this side. You click on the history. Now in this history section, you go straight to the W treasures. Then once you click that, you are going to see the transactions, all that you have claimed so far. As you can see on the screen, these are all the ones that I have claimed so far. Now here you can now count it 1, 2, that is from as it is displayed here. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you make sure that yours is up to 20. Okay, once you are done opening it, definitely you are going to get more than 20. Okay, so you make sure that you do it. In a situation whereby you do not have any of these keys, okay, if you do not have any keys, what you need to do is you will have to shop the keys. That is, you have to buy the keys. Okay, now, but I will not advise you to buy. I will not advise you to invest in this, because it is not guaranteed whether your investment you are going to get it back. But if you know that you can risk it, then you come over to this key section. Then here you are going to see the different keys. If you want to get 1 key, you click here. If you want to get 10, if you want to get 100, if you want to get 1000 respectively, you click on the buttons just as you want it. If for instance I want to choose 100, you click on 100, then you'll be buying it with 2 tones or 600 Telegram stars. If it is 10, you'll be paying with 0.3 ton and 70 stars. Okay, now this project, they have not given us any reason why we should invest a dime into it. So you investing in it is at your own risk. If you know that you can risk it, then you go ahead. But if you know that you cannot risk it, there is no point you are trying to proceed with shopping of the keys. So this project so far, you should be able, from the information that they have given us, you should lower your expectation. Do not expect much from these projects, because they have just been turning us up and down since we started mining it since last year. So just expect very little from these projects. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, please, before you leave, you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so that once I drop videos in this channel, you get notified. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to drop a like in this video, and if you have any comments at all, please, you do well to drop it in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.